Hello guys, this video is actually the part 2 of the previous video that we have, the multiple forms in one panel. So basically what this program do is that it runs multiple form in a single panel. So what we're going to do now here is that we're going to enhance our code. Okay, so let's open the code and okay, as far as you could remember, so we what we did was in every subroutine of the button, um, what we did was we actually first clear all the controls in the panel, and then we change the top level property of form 1 to false, and then we add the form 1 to the panel, and then we show the form 1. Okay, so if you could observe here, all the codes are or do follow same patterns. Okay, like with this btn form 2, and likewise with this btn form 3. So they all have same patterns. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a function in order for us to somehow minimize our code. Okay, so let us create a function. So let's type private sub, and let's name our function as run form. Okay, and then let's declare a parameter in our function. So let's use by ref, then the name of a variable here. Let's say let us name our variable as form name. Okay, as form. Okay, so basically what we did was we have created here a subroutine or a function named as run form, and we have declared a variable or one parameter in the argument. Okay, the name of the variable is form name. We have declared it as a form. Okay, and actually form name here is uh, an object. Okay, so we have created an object, and now this is just like a variable here. Okay, then what we're going to do here is that the first thing that we need to do is we need to clear the controls of the panel 1, name the panel, then controls that clear. Okay, and then we're going to use our variable name or object name, which is form name dot top level equals to false, and then we're going to add the form name to the panel. So panel 1 that controls that add form name, and then next is we're going to show the form. So form name that show. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to erase all of these codes. Code for this one, code for btn form 2, and form 3. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to um, call our function. So how do we call our function? We just type the name of the function. The name of the function is run form, and then we're going to pass a reference to the parameter, which is the name of our form. So when we are supposed to click PTM form 1, we're going to run form 1. So the name of our form 1 is form 1. Form 1. Okay. Likewise with this one. So we're going to call our function run form. So the name of our function is run form. And then we're going to pass the reference, or by reference, the name of the form, which is form 2 here. Okay. And then here, btn form 3. Again, we're going to call our function run form, and then the name of the form, which is form 3. Okay, so basically what we did was, so we have eliminated all of the codes, and then we have created a separate function on clearing all the controls of the panel, and then uh, setting up the top level property of the form to false, and then adding the form and then showing the form. So what happens here is that when you click btn form 1, it will actually invoke our function, meaning to say it will run the function. Whatever codes inside the function will be executed, so line per line, and then it will pass, actually it will pass this form here, the name of the form, to this variable form name. So when you invoke the function here, so the name of this form 1 will be uh, passed, so it will pass to this name, or to this object name. So the value of this form name would be form 1. So this would be form 1, the top level equals to false, and this will be form 1 will be added to the panel, and then form 1 will be shown on the screen. Okay. So likewise, by clicking the button form 2, so if you invoke, or if you call this function, so in this parameter form 2 will be passed to this variable name, or to this object name, and then this name would be, the value of this now would be form 2. Again, it will be set to false at top level, and then it will be added to the panel, and then it will be shown on the screen. Likewise with the btn form 3 when you click form 3. Okay, so let us try to run this. Let's click run form 1. So there's form 1, click form 2, there's form 2, click form 3, and then there's form 3. Okay, let's close this one. So this is the beauty of having functions. Okay, so basically we have somehow um, make compact with our code. So we have eliminated those redundant codes on every um, subroutines that we have on the buttons. So I hope you do understand, okay, our this topic, and watch out for other videos that I'll be posting. Okay, bye guys, see you soon.